This course is meant to get you up and running with the easiest live streaming setup you can have. There are many advanced setups that go way beyond what we cover here, but the idea is to show you that it's possible to have a professional-looking live stream with a very simple setup. Here's the first myth. You need a camera to live stream. You do have a camera in your pocket, and it's a very powerful one. Smartphones not only have a very capable cameras, but they also have much better sound quality than 90% of the cameras in the market. They also have Wi-Fi and cellular internet capabilities built in. If I showed you these two images at the same time, would you be able to tell which one comes from a $5,000 camera and which one comes from an old iPhone? Even if you were able to tell which one is which, live streaming from a camera adds so much complexity, cables, encoders, and preparation time before every event. Besides the extra work, I couldn't justify spending that much money just for a live stream. That's why I'd recommend you to stick with your phone even after you become a successful streamer. The next common misconception is that you have to be a technical person to do it. This couldn't be any further from the truth. On one hand, live streaming can be extremely complex, but on the other, it can be as simple as pressing the record button and sharing a link with friends. You can choose the path you want, but chances are that if you're learning with us, you're taking the easy route to success. Probably addressing the biggest concern for most people. Live streaming is expensive. Let's address the most common myth about live streaming. Is it expensive? It used to be the case, but not anymore. The costs of broadcasting these days are almost negligible, especially if you're charging your clients for it. There are free alternatives, but they all come with their own drawbacks, like blocked videos and poor viewer experience. Also, in most cases, you don't need a complex setup to live stream. You can use your smartphone and get amazing results. The last myth, which is actually a misconception, is that good quality video is the most important thing. Think about it. Do you want to watch a great-looking video in which you can't understand what's being said, or an okay video in which you can clearly hear the person speaking? The answer is clear. Audio wins over video on almost every occasion.